just a quick how-to. We have a more full video showing the installation of these other ones, but this fits most, or this covers most of our gauge face kits for the older XJs and Comanches. As you can see, our backgrounds are flexible, but they're not a sticker. There's no adhesive on these. They're a rigid plastic. So, I've already removed the screws using a quality Japanese industrial standard bit. And I'm going to gently rotate the needle over, and as you can see, the face on this is loose, and that's what we want, because that gives us just a little bit extra working room. So I'm going to slide that needle under, and the idea is that we will push down around the center of the needle while holding it still, pop out the other side, slide it back, and there you go. You never want to pull the needles on these units because they will break. They won't go back together. Well, the chances of it going back together and working again are slim. These older ones are delicate. It's also why we tell people YJs of the same era, we do not make our gauge kits for those, because you need to pull the needles in order to put on a new backlit face. Two-finger tight. Getting it lined up as well as possible here. If you feel too much resistance, or you see the plastic buckling, back it off quarter turn. That's it. Thanks for watching. Azzy's Design Works, team ADW.com.